look at them walking up. Oh my God, look. The people are walking up.
Yeah.
Oh.
I fear that if I walk up there on foot and I look down, I might come back down rolling, just begging for mercy, screaming up and down.
Imagine having this view every day. That's so awesome. Yeah. This is Africa after all.
The question is what happens if they move from? Yeah. Like, where you go get it?
Yeah, if you kick one hard through the goal there.
Yeah, it's gone. Let's see. There's a house right there.
They have signed an MOU there. Have they already started?
We already started.
Because you can't design this, you'll fall down.
You will.
Especially at night time, this one.
Yeah, you don't want to drive on this.
Cut that corner there, like, sometimes the buses. Yeah.
Those are trenches, eh?
Yeah.
People even are down there.
Even they are down
They
there.
are down there.
Yeah, people are down there too. I would prefer living up.
So, let's go.
Yes. Oh, not famous, and we don't need that video. I know. I was thinking.
The landscapes, the topography, everything is sweet.
And oh, there's a house right here.
Right.
Even further down, there's houses.
The landslides. Landslides.
Government.
Oh my God.
No, they keep an eye on what's
Driving
happening.
down there?
If you see where we came from, we're just rotating.
Papa, you're not gonna drive down there. What do you mean? What do you mean?
My Jeep.
Oh my God. That is just risky.
Yeah, very the mountain people.
Oh,
I don't know how you live here.
yeah.
And
Most
people,
of them are short.
but you see the other who is down. Bush, I think
Short but very strong. Eh?
the bushmen.
They have strong legs.
Yeah, very.
climbing these mountains up and down these trails. You see the ones that go straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
they're
Pygmies.
Yeah. Not even pygmies that.
Yeah.
people in the
Okay, they are most in the side of the border that
Okay.
even the falling.
because they expect
We are very here in the car. You don't see a big difference, but in the bus, you really feel like you're going off.
potentially
See where we came from.
the same way as the people in like the Andes mountains.
I'm with depression of the
Yeah?
surface. Aye.
This is so beautiful.
It's hard.
Yeah, holy man,
And if a rebel group invades this place, it's very hard to flush them out.
Mm.
Very good tourist site, you know.
Yeah.
It's well developed.
Yeah.
You'll pay money to come see this.
Yes.
This is amazing.
They have a zip line.
I have to pay for the tickets yesterday.
Huh?
Yesterday.
Uh-huh.
We are gonna try to pay for the tickets because they were not available. They were not ready yet.
Oh, we were watching and they said they go really fast.
Fast. So you are now in line. Thank you for your patience. Wow. It's hard to.
it's like the Taylor Swift concert.
Yeah, you know you were talking about it.
Yeah.
How we have to wait. The system cannot run.
I see. We're going to Toroko Bundibujo side. So you can't build a straight road here.
The Chinese can do it.
Yeah, the Chinese can. Chinese are very abnormal. They can do anything. They have the longest bridge. They have the longest one.
This is a kind of place in China where they build a bridge on a glass floor.
Yeah.
You walk in there, you scared.
No, you can really freak off. You see people down, you say, what is happening? I'm going next down. Even walking up the hand of Buddha. No.
The place developed. There's a modern looking place.
The thing is, if you're born there, you get acclimated. Because even though sickle cell and high altitude don't mix, if that is where you're born, you get used to it.
You seek investor for this kind of thing. Trust me, you find investor. Don't worry about what you can put in your wallet.
Yeah, only. And then they die of non-communicable diseases.
The way I see it,
They love it so much.
They just here in escarpments, same sites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna go to university, but I mean, you could. I'm sure most people.
Deep holes, raised places, deep holes.
You can grow so much.
Because they're using mountains
Sustain
to
yourself.
grow.
It's just what do you want?
Say a lot of bananas.
Do you notice that we are going down?
Yeah. And you see the road they were going down, down,
Yeah.
down, down, down.
tell them something and they accept it. You have to know the local leader.
And you have to rotate to reach there. Rotate, rotate.
Yeah.
These are the ones that they listen to.
They get the buy-in.
They believe.
Stuff like that. And then you have the chief, like, with the chief.
And it's just rather they don't have a strong permanent structure.
Mm.
This guy. It's a tight corner.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
Yes.
A little tall house. That's nice.
Yeah.
That is real.
Taylor greens. Maybe some of the greens that you guys put. So these people have, I guess, prime real estate. They're much closer.
I see, I want to see the winter, right? I want to see which one, the fresh one.
The greens that that your mom
Yes.
yeah.
Either green.
Agati. It's called Agati.
Nakati.
Agati. Yeah.
I want to see who's the fresh one.
Yeah, to give them an alternative place.
Did the government do that?
They tried,
That may be the best way.
that they refused.
The
It's
government
funny, good
refused?
internet.
No, the people, the locals.
That's what I'm asking. Did the government give them another place to go to?
Yes. Try to give them an alternative place that they're saying, no, we can't leave our ancestors here. They are buried here. So we can't.
So can you go to
The spirits of our ancestors will keep on haunting us.
They already have
yeah, just take it to one source.
See how that one is shit.